Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Christine Lariosa. I'm 42 years old. I live in Medina Misamis Oriental. I am Roman Catholic. I'm a high school graduate. I have live-in partner, Roland Romero. I have one son, he's 20 years old. I'm 6 members of the family. Madam and Sir, I'm ex-abroad as a domestic helper. My first experience, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah, United Arab. I'm finished 2 years contract, last 2014 to 2016. As a 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, 5 years old and 8 years old. My main duties, my responsibilities, taking care of 2 children, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, car wash, clean the house, and marketing and driving. My second experience, Muscat, Oman. I'm finished 2 years contract, last 2021 to 2023. As a 4 members, 2 adults, 2 children, 8 years old and 11 years old. My main duties, my responsibilities, taking care of 2 children, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, marketing, car wash, clean the house, and driving. My third experience is in Hong Kong. I'm only 4 days, last January 7 to January 11, 2025, because only misunderstanding. As the 3 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 children, 4 years old. My main duties and my responsibilities, taking care of 1 children, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and clean the house. Madam and Sir, I'm hardworking, honest, can work under pressure, loyal, reliable, polite, trustworthy, and respectful. Madam and Sir, I hope you choose me as a part of your household and I will follow to the rules, my regulation, so my employer, and I will promise to finish 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.